Boleh coba nih Vibro, sakane buku ipar kajing pentip ba kandon kajing yang marathon hasil long hak araf pratarik. The office of the Deputy Commissioner is Kasil District and white citizen of the district take part in the 10-kilometer run as part of the celebration of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on the Northeast Festival 2022. Kane ka 10 kilometer kalong kemjuk kung katu ka penlong hapo ka hapo goti kaju hi kajing celebration sepangane ka Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on the Northeast Festival 2022. Hakaju hi kasngi katarik araf pratarik. Organized by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner East Kasil District in collaboration with the Office of the District Sport Officer East Kasil District. Starting and finishing point, Home Guard and Civil Defense. Maudiang-diang Meghalaya. Starting route na Maudiang-diang hi, finishing route hapo Maudiang-diang hi. Turning point, Yau Tendring Meghalaya. Starting time kandai Nyo Baje step Kapor Katarik kandai Arpratrik April RFR. Kategori open male and female berkatib senrang. Prize money kadai maningkong 1,000 baar lai 1,000 bat balai kadai 1,000. Registration of participant is available at the office of the district sport officer is Kasil District Shillong. Mudban register phaban lej hi sport office jong ka DSO nadu menta kasngi phaban lej no hadu ka arpunyo tarik kini siam ya ka registration tegen sampatai phi kumno ban poi katega jaka phaban lej saklibha anda pila lej ban registration te hangne klem tho lada kadai tangnam tagi is name de open to all tama pila ban lej hi baro marhangne longwa invite the citizen of the district boleh paham invite the citizen of the districts to take part in a 10-kilometer run. Te sakali hi mapi salai siapa office jong ka district sport officer man tip khamnya sa register hangne kham thoi ai banra kham thoi ai ban yu nomor phone ro kham ai te salai himapi ba sawat jing tip hapo office jong ka DSO is Kasil District tangki nei jing tip khubli shibon.